Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be looking at um, basic chords you could use as a beginner to sound great. Do you understand? So I'm going to be, demonstrating some songs, and I'm going to be using some kind of chords, and then I'm going to break them down. Like I call them, I would say they are basic. Let me see, but yeah, a little bit advanced, but I'm sure that these chords will help your play, and I'll do them in different keys here. So let me start from the key of C. So you're playing. There is none like you. I think I've done this thing one time. Yeah. So one thing that I do a lot is this slurs. So it's either you have it on this or you have it on this. So there is no so what is it? What is the movement? It's like this, then you, right? Same thing applies for this. So you get, you can see it. So I'm doing. Yeah, so let's move into the body of the song now. There is no. So now look at the way I played my two. I have all this stacked together. So yeah. No, so this is 736. So this. So this is the chord. We have next one. So I have searched through all, right? So so I have searched. So this is it. Sorry. So 7 flat 5 7 3. But I can just do, instead of flat 5 7 3, I can do flat 5 4 3. Yes, so instead of this, I can do. So what is the movement you have? Look at, and you have this F sharp and E on your left hand. On this other hand, you have. Right. Then your 7. That's like B dominant 7. Or you can still make it flat 5 4 3. So you have. So the next chord, that's like F dominant 7 on your left hand. Then you have E flat 5. So then you have this next chord. So see. Then you have your 6. Okay, so you have there is no one like you. No one else can touch my heart like you do. I have searched eternity long and find there is none. There is none. There is none. Very simple. So now let's look at other songs. Let's look at songs like this one. I will not talk about chords. I'll just talk about movement. Yeah. And if you want to get the full package for this, please anticipate my course. It will be coming out. It will be dropping very soon. I'm still talking about this course because I want all of you to start gathering your money. The course will be out soon, and this course is actually going to be rich. I promise you. Going to be for beginners. Going to be for intermediate. So, the next thing is so you have. Let me do this on the key of here. So you have. You get. So what I did here is so like I just move the chromatic upwards and down. So you can see that I'm playing 4 on the left hand here. Yes, so I'm playing 4 on the left hand. Yes. And then 5 on the right hand. So you have B, E, and A flat on right hand. In the left hand you have D, A. You can stack or you can stretch. So 6. So what I'm doing here is see it again. And simple basic movements. Just basic. So let's look at on the key of your sharp. I'm thinking of a song. Okay. Let me think. So you have songs like "We Lift You High, we lift you 1 4." You can see it 1. So you have your dominant 7 here. You have this. So we lift you 6, 5. just did chromatic. I just dropped down here. So for me, I did. You can say I'm just replacing it. 1, 6, 2, 1. Basically, these are little things. So you'll anticipate my course dropping soon. I'll hit you up on when it's going to be out. But it's as close as anything. Yeah. So purchase link will be out when it's ready, and I'll drop it for sale. And also, please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. If you are a beginner, if you are an intermediate music and piano player, this is the channel for you. I knew I had never had a good background, doing music, starting music, and I was opportune, to know what it feels like not being a good musician, to get into a point where you can play well, you can handle stage, you can produce and all that. And then I want to use that platform to help those that are coming up in that same route, so you won't make some kind of mistakes some of us made and all that. Yeah, so please save up for that cause, and promise it's going to be out soon. Yeah, so thank you all for staying to the end of this video. God bless you. Cheers.